Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. In continuation with the collection framework discussion, in this session we will discuss about the queue interface which is available in java.util package. So what is this queue interface? So queue interface is available in java.util package and it extends collection interface. Now, what sort of data will be stored in this particular queue is the data which needs to be processed in FIFO order, means first in, first out. So far, whatever collection objects or collection classes we have discussed about, there is no order like FIFO or LIFO maintained like that, right? So a queue interface allows us to process data in FIFO order, first in, first out order. It is an ordered list of objects with its use limited to insert elements at the end of the list and deleting elements from the start of the list. That is first in, first out. You cannot remove any element in between. So it follows first in, first out principle. Let's check this out through the code. So this is the code which demonstrates queue. Now, queue being ordered implementation, the class linked list now also implement queue interface. Along with list, it also implements queue interface. So this is the way how an object of queue can be created. We can add the elements using for loop. So these elements will be added. Then this is the way how we can display the contents of queue. To remove, this is very important thing. We will just give call to remove method and it will remove head of the queue. That means whatever element is inserted first, that element will be removed. And this remove method returns what it has removed. So you can check this particular code by executing it. And peek method is to check which is the head of the queue, means which is the now first element of that particular queue. This remove method is going to remove one element at once. And rest of the methods are from collection interface itself. And it works in the same way how linked list works. So let's see by executing this particular code. So let's try executing this particular code and you will be able to see that first of all it has added all the elements. So whenever we are displaying the contents, they are starting from 0 to 4. Then remove method is called and it returns what element is removed. So it has removed 0. So 0 is removed element and whatever is removed is returned over here. This is the first in, first out. So 0 was added as the very first element and it is removed as a very first element because it is head of the queue. After this is removed, this is the remaining queue. And when we are calling this peek method, it returns the head of the queue. Now as 0 is removed, 1 is the head of the queue. So this is how queue interface is implemented by linked list. Queue related methods can be called using this linked list object. Thank you.